Good morning, I am Abraham today from AT channel. Today is my health tips: high cholesterol and triglycerides. High cholesterol, also known as hypercholesteremia, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Abnormal level of HDL cholesterol or HDL cholesterol are treated with a low fat diet, exercise and medication. 20 foods that can save your heart. First one, thyme and sage, rosemary, oregano extra. Fresh herbs. When you add those two foods instead of salt and fat, you are making a heart healthy choice, and they add flavor without the bad stuff. Spices and other foods are delicious way to eat heart smart. Cholesterol is an organic molecule. It is a sterol, a type of lipid. Cholesterol is a waxy fat like substance that's found in all the cells in your body. Your body needs some cholesterol to make hormones, vitamin D and substance that help you digest foods. Your body makes all the cholesterol it needs. Your body needs cholesterol to build healthy cells, but high level of cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease. With the high cholesterol, you can develop fatty deposits in your food vessels. Eventually, those deposits grow, making it difficult for the blood to flow through your arteries. Sometimes those deposits can break suddenly and form a clot that causes a heart attack or stroke. Symptoms: high cholesterol has no symptoms. A blood test is the way to detect it. You have it when you see a doctor. Cases: cholesterol is carried through your blood attached to proteins. This combination of protein and cholesterol is called a lipoprotein. There are different types of cholesterol based on what the lipoprotein carriers they are. First one, low density lipoprotein LDL or bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol builds up in the walls of your arteries, making them hard and narrow. High density lipidemia HDL, good cholesterol, picks up excess cholesterol and takes it back to your liver. A lipid profile also typically measures triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. Having a high triglyceride level can also increase your risk of heart disease. Diabetes: high blood sugar contributes to higher level of a dangerous cholesterol called very low density lipoprotein VLDL and lower HDL cholesterol. High blood sugar also damage the lining of your arteries. Exercise help boost your body HDL or good cholesterol while increasing the size of the particles that make up your HDL or bad cholesterol, which makes it less harmful. Complication of high cholesterol: first one, chest pain, heart attack, stroke. Lifestyle changes that can lower your cholesterol can help prevent you from having high cholesterol in the first place. To help prevent high cholesterol, you can: first one, eat a low salt and fat, limit the amount of animal fat, lose extra pounds and maintaining healthy weight, quit smoking, exercise on most days of the week for at least 30 minutes, drinks alcohol in moderation, manage stress. Next, low cholesterol may be factor in other medical conditions such as cancer, depression and anxiety, hemorrhagic stroke. Your body needs some cholesterol but not too much. Thank you for your watching in our channel. Okay, bye.